Hello everyone, I wanted to go over our 2-ounce wax melts and how to use them. So here in the middle is a 2-ounce wax melt. You are going to want to remove it completely from all of the plastic. And you are going to want to put that to the side. So with the wax melts, you're going to need a wax burner, which is a burner where you put the wax on top and there's a tea light at the bottom. Or you're going to need an electric warmer. And some electric warmers are melted, or the wax is melted by a bulb, or some of them have like a hot plate and it's a thing that sits on top that you put your wax in. So depending on what you have, that's what you'll use. And we have our cut it and mix it melted cutters. And these cutters are used to be able to chop your wax up into chunks. If you have a smaller warmer, you're gonna need a smaller piece of the wax melt, or if you like to mix and match scents, you can cut them up to make endless amounts of your own custom blends. So the cut it, mix it, melt it is also good for removing wax out of your warmer like this. And it just removes the wax perfectly. So now whenever you're using the wax, you can either pour the warm wax back into this and throw it into the trash can, or you can let it cool off like this and use your cut and mix and melt it to scrape it out of your warmer and put in the trash can. You never, ever, ever want to put melted wax in your sink or your toilet. I wanted to share